Premier Masonry and Concrete Contractors in Baltimore, Maryland. Detailz Construction Corporation is a full-service, licensed and insured MHIC and EPA-certified residential and commercial construction company that has been serving Maryland since 2004. We provide our clients with superior quality craftsmanship, materials, and customer service, all while offering competitive pricing. Our good standing with the Better Business Bureau and Maryland Home Improvement Commission provides comfort to customers that Detailz Construction is a brand they can depend on every time. Throughout the past 10 years of developing, owning, renovating multifamily units and businesses and residential properties, we have earned the trust of countless valued clients. What we offer: 1. Concrete 2. Retaining walls 3. Masonry 4. Stampede Concrete 5. Brick Restoration 6. Stone Masonry and more. Our skilled team can help you design or create a space that's comfortable, relaxing, and proud to call home. Contact us for a free estimate for your project. Call us at 410-220-6682